Did you know there is a secret economy forming around a new AI that almost no one is talking about? While you're watching this, early adopters are quietly making thousands of dollars with something called Nano Banana AI. And in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how they're doing it with 10 real methods you can start today. Stick around because method number 7 is so simple, you'll wonder why you didn't think of it first. First up, beginner-friendly and surprisingly profitable AI-powered product descriptions. E-commerce stores are desperate for compelling copy. You can use Nano Banana AI to generate dozens of unique, persuasive descriptions in minutes. Just feed it a product name and a few key features. We're seeing people charge anywhere from $5 to $20 per description, easily earning a few $100 in an afternoon. Method number 2 is creating personalized meal plans. Health and fitness is a massive market. With Nano Banana AI's dietary analysis module, you can input a client's goals, allergies, and food preferences, and it generates a complete, week-long meal plan with recipes. Freelancers are selling these plans for $50 or more on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. It's a low-effort, high-demand service. Okay, let's move on to something with a bit more creative flair. Method 3: AI-generated children's storybooks. You provide a simple prompt, like a brave squirrel who learns to fly, and Nano Banana AI writes and even illustrates a short book. You can then publish these as books on Amazon KDP. It's a set-it-and-forget-it income stream. Some creators are making a steady passive income from a portfolio of just 10 or 20 of these little books. Now, are you ready to scale things up? Method 4 is social media content creation for local businesses. Every coffee shop, gym, and realtor needs content. Use Nano Banana AI to generate a month's worth of post ideas, captions, and even simple graphics for a business. Package this as a monthly retainer service. You could easily charge a few $100s per client, and with the AI doing the heavy lifting, you can manage multiple clients at once. Method 5 is for the writers out there: AI-assisted blog and article writing. This isn't about replacing your skill, it's about amplifying it. Use Nano Banana AI to research topics, generate outlines, and draft initial sections. This can cut your writing time in half, allowing you to take on more freelance work or build your own content site faster. Top-tier writers are using this to double their output and their income. Here's a quick and easy one. Method number 6: custom greeting card messages. People struggle to find the right words. You can set up a simple Etsy shop offering personalized messages for birthdays, anniversaries, or holidays, all generated by Nano Banana AI based on a customer's details. It's a high-volume, low-effort business model that's perfect for getting started. And now for Method 7, the one I promised you. It's incredibly simple: resume and cover letter optimization. Job seekers will pay good money for an edge. You can use Nano Banana AI to analyze a job description and a person's resume, then generate a perfectly tailored version that highlights the right skills and keywords. People are charging $50 to $100 for this service, and it takes less than 30 minutes. Getting more advanced, Method 8 is creating AI voiceover services. Nano Banana AI has a hyper-realistic voice generation feature. You can offer voiceovers for YouTube videos, podcasts, and corporate training materials. You simply paste the script, choose a voice style, and export the audio file. This market is exploding, and the quality is now so good that many clients can't tell the difference. Method 9 is for the developers or those willing to learn a little code, building Microsoft tools. Use Nano Banana AI's API to build a simple, single-purpose tool like a headline generator or a tweet scheduler. You can charge a small monthly subscription, like $5 or $10. With a few hundred users, you've built a legitimate, scalable software business. Finally, method number 10, the ultimate scalable model: AI-powered online courses. Identify a topic you know about and use Nano Banana AI to structure the entire course. Write the scripts, generate quizzes, and create marketing materials. You build it once and you can sell it forever on platforms like Udemy or your own website. This is how you transition from trading time for money to building a true digital asset. So there you have it, 10 powerful, practical ways people are already making money with Nano Banana AI. From simple side hustles to full-blown businesses, the barrier to entry has never been lower. The question isn't whether it's possible. It's which one are you going to start with? Drop a comment below and let me know which method you're going to test first. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more ways to get ahead of the curve.